Memory expert took the stand in the Michelle Troconis trial, sharing how factors such as sleep deprivation and misinformation can impact somebody's memory. News 8's Eva Zamaris has that.
I've been really working hard with family to try to to figure out and bring my memory back.
What Michelle Troconis could remember from the time Jennifer Farber-Dulos went missing has been a key component of her trial.
There's a lot of evidence that they were not truthful.
On Thursday, memory expert Dr. Elizabeth Loftus took the stand as a defense witness. She spoke about how memory and the recollection of events can change over time.
After some event occurs, sometimes people are exposed to new information. They have conversations with other people. They are interrogated.
Loftus testified that new information, especially if it's misinformation, coming from what's perceived as a credible source, can distort or transform someone's memory.
And lead them to want to adopt the misinformation or maybe make a change in their memory.
She added factors, including stress and sleep deprivation, can have an impact.
It's a kind of a setting that is ripe for potentially contaminating somebody's memory.
Troconis' defense attorney says this science is being presented as an alternative to what the state is alleging. It's believed by investigators there were inconsistencies in Troconis' statements in her interviews with the police, and items were missing from the timeline she wrote out from the day Farber-Dulos disappeared.
If she wrote this timeline before she was arrested on June 1st, she couldn't have been threatened by the police yet, is that correct?
No.
She couldn't have been sleep deprived by the police, is that correct?
No.
The judge called for a recess after a series of questions from the state about other high-profile cases Loftus consulted on, being a neutral witness, and how much money she makes for her time and testimony.
It's fair to say that I'm compensated for my time, just as you are.
How much do you think I make $700 an hour?
We're going to take a recess because things are becoming unhinged.
Loftus spoke about this outside of court.
I think in this case, the prosecution wants the jury to believe that she's a big fat liar, and there's an alternative explanation here.
Troconis has maintained her innocence from the start, saying she had nothing to do with Farber-Dulos' disappearance and death. We've learned the defense is expected to wrap its case on Friday. In Stamford, Eva Zamaris, News 8.